Hi, acne has been one of the commonest concerns for a lot of us. We will be discussing about the causes of acne over your back and also how to deal with them. Now, coming to the reasons, why do people have acne over the back? The first and foremost reason is dandruff or greasy scalp, especially for someone who has a long hair. For sure they will have recurrence of acne over the back, and the severity is also more. The second thing is occlusion over the back, that is constant usage of backpacks. Also, prolonged sitting with back support causes some amount of occlusion over your entire back, which leads to tiny bumps all over your back. The third reason would be waxing, and the fourth commonest thing is sweating, or someone who wears synthetic clothing and also tight clothing. So such people would definitely prefer loose cotton clothes and also avoid the synthetic clothes. Post workout you will take a shower so that the breakouts reduce. And the fifth one would be the genetic or hormonal or other causes of acne, also related to the body type. Now, how do we take care of acne over your back? The first and foremost thing is use an anti-dandruff shampoo. Weekly, twice or thrice, you will use some anti-dandruff shampoo which is available over the counter, or your dermatologist prescribed anti-dandruff shampoo. Apply it over the scalp, wait for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it off. This will help in cutting down the recurrences of acne over the face and also the back. The second thing, post workout you will shower and also wear loose soft cotton clothes. The third thing, instead of waxing you can consider something like laser hair reduction, so that it will help you in the long run also. The fourth thing, you will use salicylic acid or lactic acid or benzoyl peroxide based foamy washes. Apply it over your back for a couple of minutes and you can rinse it off. All the other causes of acne can be taken care by your dermatologist by prescribing any oral medication or looking into your hormonal imbalance which might be causing acne, or some kind of chemical peels can also be done to take care of the pigmentation post acne and also acne per se. But please do follow the tips like anti-dandruff shampoo and the clothing, which will definitely prevent the recurrence. Thank you.